today we're looking at snow chains and how to put them on your car. If you haven't tried it before, I'm here to help you. It's not that hard. Many people think that it's a pain in the ass to put this on, but if you know how to do it, it's really simple. I do a lot of driving in snowy conditions and I always bring my chains because it can save my butt and I don't have to wait for rescue. As of yesterday, I actually got stuck on a hill and I had to put chains on to continue. But let's take a look at how you mount a set of chains on the front two wheels on your car. This is a pair of chains made for an SUV, just like this one. So there's this hook right up here that you untangle like this. And you take it out. And if you have your chains like this, they are perfect. You see, stretched out like that. Sometimes you can find a plateau which is flat, but if you're on a hill, slide them from the up and down behind the wheel. And then you have to connect these two on the upside. It looks like this. So once I got them around the tire, I take the two ends and connect them on top of the tire where I can see it and hold the chains out like this. And then I grab the green hook and connect it to the chain on the other side. Put them back like that. Go. Put the chains on the middle. Then you're gonna find the connector on the downside here. Sometimes it's just a hook on this side because these are a bit heavy duty. There's a connector. Then you find the hook, put them in the hook. Then you grab the red chain here, connect the rubber hook on the underside to tighten it. That's it. It's on. So what you have to do now, drive forward a couple of meters. Take this hook and tighten it somewhere else so they are super tight when you're gonna drive. That is it. It took like 1 minute. So you can do like a whole car in 10 minutes if you want. But normally you only use 2 set of chains on the front wheels. So that was how we got these on. How do we then get them off? Hook this one off. Take this hook off down here. There you go. Off this one. And then how do you find the hook on the back side? So the hook is always where this green is. So where this green hook right here is, the hook is on the other side. So I unhook this one. It's right there, laying down on the ground like that, and then you drive off. That is it. Chains are free. Just get the snow off them. Close them as you got them. Put them in the bag or in the back of your car. And when you come home, make sure to dry them because they will just rust. 2 things that are super crucial to have. The first thing is some gloves because it will probably be cold, snowy, stormy. Then you need some gloves because you are handling chains, cold chains in the snow. So gloves is essential. The other thing is a headlight because, as I said, it might be dark, so a headlight will shine on wherever you're looking. So gloves, headlight, and you're good to go. So there's one thing you don't want to do is that to let the first time you're gonna mount these chains is when you need them in the field. It will be miserable. You will be standing there on the side of the road reading the instructions, trying to figure out how to mount these damn chains, and it'll take forever. So do it at home on a sunny day where it's warm or the weather is nice. Practice it a couple of times so you know how to do it when you need them when you're out in the field. And the last thing is, remember to put your chains somewhere in the car where it's easy to access them. Don't put them under the luggage, put them behind the seat or put them in the side where you can easily grab them when you need them. That was my video on snow chains. Hope you liked it. Always remember to be awesome and subscribe, and I will see you guys back here next time. Thank you.